Ready to ditch the teller lines and manage your money from your couch? Let's walk through opening a Chase bank account online step by step. First, head to Chase.com. That's chase.com. Now, you'll want to find the Open an Account or Checking Accounts section, typically located in the top navigation. Click it. This will bring you to a list of account options. Chase offers various checking and savings accounts, so take a moment to compare them. Consider your needs. Are you looking for rewards, low fees, or high interest rates? Once you've chosen an account, hit the Open Now button. This will kick off the application process. Now for the application, be prepared to enter your personal information, including your name, address, date of birth, social security number, and contact details. Next up, you'll need to fund your account. You can usually do this by linking an existing bank account or making a deposit via debit card. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Review all your information one last time. Once you're sure everything is correct, submit your application. You'll typically receive a confirmation email with your account details and next steps, and just like that, you're ready to bank with Chase online.